Let's understand the question. Which term of the following sequences? The question, see the first question. The question, the first part is 2. The first sequence it is given is 2, 2 root 2, comma 4, dot, 128. So they are asking that this 128 is which term? Okay, which? So basically, when we are talking, when the question is asking which term, it means they are asking about n. So we have A, which is the first term. This is A, which is 2. And we have R. We know that common ratio, how we will find it. So we are doing the question for the part A. Okay, this is part A. So what is R? R is the ratio of the second term over first term. So 2 cancel out. So R is equals to root 2. You want to take other, if you want to find out the ratio of the other two terms, you can do 4 over 2 root 2, which is root 2 only. So now A, I have 2, R is equals to root 2, right? Root 2. Now, let's see which term is 128. So we know the general formula, that is AN is equals to A multiply R raised to the power n minus 1. So what is AN? I have the last term. AN is the last term also. So it is 128 is equals to A, which is 2 times what is R? Root 2 raised to the power n minus 1. Right? So 2 times, what is that? I'm cancelling out by 2. So it's 64. So 64 is equals to root 2 raised to the power n minus 1. So what I will do here, I will just make the base same. So you know that what is 64? 2 raised to the power 6 is 64, right? You know that now also the base are not same. Base means the below number. So here we have root 2, here we have 2. So what I will write 2 as root 2 whole square, and there is a power 6 equals to root 2 raised to the power n minus 1. Now the base are same. So when the base are same, the base got cancelled out, and this will be 12. 12 is equals to n minus 1. So n is equals to 13. So 128 is the 13th term in the sequence, right? So this is for the first. Now let's move for the second one. Let's move for the second part, which is the B part, in which the first term you have is root 3. So this is A. What is R? R is the second term over the first term, which is root 3, right? Now, they are asking you that 729 is which term. So that is the last term. They are asking you which term is 729. So apply the normal formula for the nth term, which is A times R raised to the power n minus 1. Put everything. AN means L also, the last term also, which is 729 is equals to A, which is root 3 times R, which is root 3 raised to the power n minus 1. So when we will solve it now, so 729, I can write as 9 raised to the power 3, because 9 times 9 times 9 is 729, right? So root 3 times root 3 n minus 1. Now, because I see that it is root 3. So when I change 9, so it will be 3 raised to the power 2, and there is outside power 3. So root 3 times root 3 n minus 1. Now, please see here, everyone. I'm just dropping it, okay? Because this is not useful. This is the first question. Okay. So what I will do, so this will be 3 raised to the power 6 is equals to, see, root 3 times. I'm just breaking it. So it will be, I'm just breaking as root 3 raised to the power n minus 1 as root 3 times root 3 minus 1, the power. Root 3 raised to the power n times root 3 raised to the power minus 1, right? Now, 3 raised to the power 6 is equals to this root 3 and this root 3 minus 1 raised to the power minus 1. They just got cancelled out because it is like numerator and denominator. Minus 1 power, you just reciprocate. So what is left is root 3 raised to the power n. Now I want base same. This is 3, this is root 3. So I'm writing root 3 as root 3 whole square raised to the power 6 is equals to root 3 raised to the power n. So this is root 3 raised to the power 12, which is equals to root 3 raised to the power n. Root 3 cancel out, so n is equals to 12. So basically, 729 is the 12th term in the sequence, right? 12th term in the sequence. Okay, let's talk about the last one, the C part, in which the question is not written clearly. This is the last term, okay? So they are asking you that the question is like 1 over 3, 1 over 9, 1 over 27, and dot, 1 over 19683. So they are asking you which term is this one. So what is A here? The first term is 1 by 3. What is the common ratio, which is R? That is the second term over the first term, which is 3 over 9. That is 1 by 3. So R is also 1 by 3, right? So we have to find AN. We have to find the N, the which term. So AN formula is A times R is to the power N minus 1. So what is the last term? It is 1 over 19683. That is equals to A, which is 1 by 3 times what is R? 1 by 3 raised to the power n minus 1. So just cancel out 3 with this 3. So 3 times 6 is 18. Then 3 times 5, 3, 6, 18, and 3, 1, 3. Okay, now what I left with is 1561 is equals to 1 by 3 raised to the power n minus 1, right? Now, please, we want the base same. Here there is 3, so it will be something like 3 raised to the power. So let's solve it. Let's take the LCM. So 3 times 2, 3 times 1, 3, 8, 24, 3, 7, 21. 3, 7, 21, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, 27. Again by 3, 3, 2, 6, 4, 3. Again by 3, 81. Again by 3, again by 3, again by 3, and again by 3. So 3, how many 3s are there? 2, 4, 6, 8. So it will be 3 raised to the power 8 is equals to 1 by 3 raised to the power n minus 1. Now the base are same, so base got cancelled out. So the final part is be 1 by 8 is equals to n. Let's cross it. When you cross it, it will become 8 is equals to n minus 1. So n is equals to 1 plus 8, which is 9. So this one is the 9th term in the GP sequence, right? So yes, thank you everyone. Thank you so much.